In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix screen brightness problem in Windows 10. So to fix this problem, there is two simple methods. First one, click on Start, then type Device Manager. Open Device Manager. Now in this list, expand Display Adapters. Right click on your display adapter, then click on Update Driver. Select this first option, Search automatically for drivers. It will show you Windows has successfully updated your drivers. Now close it. If it's not work, so again right click on it, update driver. Now select this second option. Now select let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. In here select Microsoft Basic Display Adapter, then click on next. Close it and restart your PC. If this method is not work, so try second method. Again click on Start and type Device Manager. Open Device Manager. Now expand monitors and right click on generic PHP monitor. It can be your device. Now right click here and click on uninstall device. Then click on uninstall. And after that install and after close it and restart your PC. Hopefully friends, by using this two method after restart, this problem will be resolved. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video work for you or not.